Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable updates when you reach significant milestones on Snapchat. If you're a creator or just love tracking your growth, this feature helps you stay informed and celebrate your progress in real time. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your personal settings and account details are located. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down through the settings until you see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you control all the alerts you receive from Snapchat. Keep scrolling until you find creator notifications. This section is especially useful if you're actively posting content and building an audience. Tap on it to open more options. Here's the important part. Look for the toggle labeled Performance Milestones. Turn this